Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the card and a phone with NFC. Open Settings and enable NFC now. Launch the compatible NFC app and grant any permissions it requests. Tap Add or Write to begin. Select the record type you need, such as URL, text, or NDEF smart card command. Once chosen, enter the exact content. Accuracy matters because the tag stores raw data. Make sure the card is positioned flat on your phone back and stay steady to avoid write errors. With your content set, choose whether the tag will be rewritable or permanently locked. Locking is irreversible, so confirm first. Align the card to the phone's NFC coil. Move slowly until the app indicates contact. Tap Write and watch for a success message. If prompted, perform any additional app steps like password setting. Once done, use the app's read function or a second device to verify the data matches and that the tag triggers the intended action when tapped. Finalize by securing the tag if sensitive. Apply a password or lock it, but remember locking prevents future edits. If the write or read fails, reposition the tag, remove cases, and retry slowly. Stray metal or thick phone cases can block NFC. Try an alternate NFC-capable device to isolate the issue. If the tag remains unreadable or behaves inconsistently, replace it with a compatible type. One key tip: when things go wrong,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.